Good afternoon, all class teachers and students. I'm so glad to be here to introduce our new award scheme to all of you today. This is Active Learners Award. Due to the prolonged suspension of the face-to-face lessons, this prison record, Precarians Award Scheme, and Community Service Scheme cannot be implemented this year. Our school has introduced and implemented a new award scheme called Active Learner Award. This award scheme consists of two major parts. They are learning attitudes and personal growth activities. A minor merit will be given to students who have obtained free present records, including learning attitudes, and participate in free personal growth activities. So remember, this is free plus free concept. Free present record from learning attitudes given by your subject teachers and participation in free personal growth activities. So students can get as many as minor merit as they can. There is no limit. So let's move on to the first part about present record of learning attitudes. Teachers will send a present record to students with good learning attitudes, including participations actively in class, submissions of quality homework, and work hard consistently with significant improvement in learning. So teachers will give you a present record in this way. Teachers will send a present record to students through the class Google Classroom stream, applied in online learning mode, or they will give you a present card for face-to-face learning mode in school with outstanding performance of students. So there are two samples for you. The left-hand side is the present record given by your subject teachers in class Google Classroom streams. For the right-hand side, this is a hard copy of present record presented by your class teachers to praise your hardworking and positive learning attitudes. Moreover, teachers may attach the following emojis, which is well designed by our school, with their praising message. So, including your persistent learners, good learning motivations, good work, and also hardworking attitudes. So let's move on to the part B about personal growth activities. All activities listed on the form Google Classroom or promoted by teachers on or after 20th January year 2021 can be counted. So for example, there are two major types of activities. The first one is, so you may notice that there are many activities scheduled and also promoted in the form Google Classroom, including activities organized by SU, houses, and associations. So, you are also advised and recommend to watch the videos on the MCE channel. This is Moral and Civic Education's channel with teachers sharing and the videos on every Wednesday in the form Google Classroom. Next, activities nominated by your teachers, including external leadership training programs like JA companies activities, community service, online or face-to-face promoted by school through the Google Classrooms. So what you have to do is to keep a good record. So students should complete the personal growth activity forms after participating in activities. So here is the sample of the form. Please stay and fill in the forms clearly with the activity names, date, time, organizations, teacher in charge. With the introductions of the activities you joined, at least 30 words, and what have you learned from these learning activities. So some activities will not be counted for this award scheme. They include online class teacher period and small group gathering organized by your class teachers as they are compulsory, which is not self-direct learning activities. One more, it's about CCA meetings or regular training. As The number of meetings provided by different teams and clubs are different. So students who participate in CCA actively will be recognized by your CCA grading system. So how do you submit your record? So first, the present records and also personal growth activity record form will be collected on 30 April through the form Google Classroom. So students should upload the personal growth activity record form with the present records. So please make a screen captures image of the present record given by your subject teachers in Google Classroom, and please take photos after getting the present record cards from your teachers to the Google Classroom. So this is the examples showing two screen captures. The left-hand side is the present message given by your teacher, while the right-hand side is the present record card given by your teachers. So please take a photos of the present record card. So the person growth activity record form and more details will be sent to you through the form Google Classroom on Friday, 19th of March. So there will be a school notice also issued on this Friday. So this is the end of the introduction of this Active Learner Award. Thank you very much.